Guys, welcome back to my channel in another video of Clinical Dentistry Hub. My name is Dr. Shabista Jabi and you are watching Clinical Dentistry Hub. I hope everyone is doing good. So a must and a basic question is, when you graduate out, or even if after pursuing your post graduation, one thing which I think should comes in people's mind is whether to open your clinic in an urban area or in an rural area. So today we are going to discuss about what are the advantages and disadvantages of opening a clinic in an urban area and a rural area. Those who are new to my channel, please click red color subscribe button over there so that you don't miss out any important content of my video. Please watch the video till the end so that you do not miss out any important information in this video. So let's just begin today's video without wasting time. If you are a recent graduate or a postgraduate and thinking to open a clinic in a rural and urban area, then this video is very important to you, as I'm going to discuss about its advantages and disadvantages. What are the basic steps you should think before you start thinking to open your practice in an urban or rural area. Let's just first talk about urban area. If you are opening a clinic in an urban area, that means in a posh area you will be requiring a huge amount of money, because there the people will be much more qualified. There the people will have their education level so that they can put up question to you about treatment modalities. So if you are opening a clinic in an urban area, you must have a huge amount of money so that you can set up an excellent charming looking clinic so that it attracts people and so that your clinical practice may get into hype. So if a patient comes to you in an urban area, he will be educated and he will ask about it and he will pay for the treatment. That means you have no other option to do the right treatment, because we are just human, we are not God. We can also do mistake in the treatment. But if you are opening in the posh area, your clinic is in a posh area, in an urban area, तो वहाँ पर कुछ भी गुंजाइश गलती करने का बचता ही नहीं है, because patient can go and complain about your treatment, your repo will come down, and if there's someone who is starting a new practice in an urban area, then you will require a huge amount of time to set up your practice. It will take of approx 3 to 4 years so that people comes to know about your clinic, about your name, because in urban area there is saturation of dental clinic over there. There are more number of dental clinic. When you are in a market, you have to fight for your position, you have to do the quality of treatment, plus you have to see the treatment charges over there. Second thing, advantage is that there the lifestyle is much more good. You have malls, you have shopping malls, you have cinema hall, you can enjoy there. You have a good set of lifestyle. Now talking to the rural areas, when you go and open your clinic in a rural area, one thing is advantage is that there the clinic are very low. People say that there are saturation of dentistry in India, but saturation, there is no such saturation of dentistry in India. Why I am saying that? Because if you are saying that dentistry is saturated in India, then you might be wrong, because I say that dentistry is saturated in the urban areas. Dentistry is not saturated in the rural areas, because if 100 students are taking admission in a college, believe me, only 5 to 10 will pass out with good marks, and will all of you, obviously all of you will pass out, but out of those only 5 or 10 will go and practice in a good position. So if you are thinking that it is saturated, then your thinking is totally wrong, because if you go in the rural area, there are less number of clinic people, they are not paying so much attention to their oral hygiene. So if you go there, you open your clinic, if you have low budget, whatever your clinics look like will work over there. Patient will come to you, complains of pain, you do root canal, you do extraction, you take them 2000 or 1.5k rupees for one treatment, you will be satisfied. Why satisfied? Because there you don't have to fight for your position in the market, because there is no market of dentistry over there. Number of clinics are very less over there. So you can go, you can have your position, but there are few disadvantages, that there is connectivity problem, connectivity to road, availability of materials, dental materials or kind of instrument you need will be less possible to get it over there. You have to order it, maybe it takes time to get and reach up to you. But if you are practicing in a rural area, first thing you have to do is that you have to make people aware of the condition of the treatment related to the oral hygiene, because if you make people aware of it, people will definitely come to your clinic to get it treated, because in the end all of us want a healthy smile. So that is one criteria. Whereas if you see in the urban area, you will see that much more Google doctor over there. First they will Google everything, they'll come to you, they'll confirm it, they'll pay for the treatment. No, nothing's as such to be thought about that they'll not pay for the treatment. But one thing to be considered is that you have to be very careful with your treatment strategies, because people over there will be very concerned about it. Because if someone is paying about 10k for one root canal, obviously he or she will be concerned about the treatment. Plus if you charge in the rural area in a less amount and you say that you don't have to go for the extraction, your tooth will be safe, we'll do root canal, we'll charge you 1.5k, they will say okay. And in the end it doesn't succeed and you say that we have to go for the extraction, then they might be okay with that. So these are the advantages and disadvantages of opening a clinic in a rural and urban area. So what basic thing is to consider is that in urban areas you should have a high amount of budget, a proper land area, a proper amenities should be there, you will have shopping mall, you will have a good standard lifestyle over there. Whereas in rural areas you will be safe from that headache that patient will come and will complain of such things, because people in the rural area are itself not aware of the oral hygiene, they are itself not aware of the treatment that is to be done for maintaining their teeth in proper position. So these are all the advantages and disadvantages of opening your clinic in rural and urban area. If you are opening your clinic in an urban area and you are taking a loan and you have less patient over there, then you will be in a stress, you will be in a tension that whether you will able to repay that loan back or not. But that tension will go away if you open your clinic in rural area, because there you are getting paid, you do not have to fight for your position, you do not have to take a loan, because you have to just open a small clinic with no so much decorations and all that will furnish over there. So all this thing you have to keep in your mind before opening clinic in rural as well as urban areas. So if you have liked this video, please like, share, and if you have any problem you can just put it down in the comment section, or you can directly message me on the Instagram. I will definitely reply to every messages. So without wasting any time, people who are new to my channel, please click red color subscribe button, and there is a bell icon over there, that is the notification icon. If you press it, you will not be able to miss out any important content of my video. So please like, share and subscribe. Please show lots and lots of love. I am signing it off. Bye.